Every process begins with controlled raw materials. Temperature and hygiene are protected from the first second.
Cold chain integrity is verified before transport.
Once sealed, the product remains untouched. Movement replaces storage. Scale defines modern production. Every function has its own controlled access. Transfer begins only when alignment is exact. Flow is prepared before it is released. Liquids and solids travel separately by design.
Human entry follows the same discipline as materials.
Inside, control becomes absolute. Contamination is stopped at the floor. Clean hands are verified, not assumed. Movement inside the plant follows defined paths. This is where production truly begins. Separation protects consistency. Every input is traced before use. Ice cream is more than dairy. Flavors arrive under strict control. All components now share one system.
Before ingredients move, systems are prepared.
Precision begins with measurement. Verification happens without interrupting flow. Quality is confirmed before permission is granted. Data confirms suitability in seconds. Approval activates movement.
Every ingredient is positioned for controlled entry.
Volume is stabilized under precise conditions. Temperature is engineered long before processing begins. Inside the factory, transformation is prepared.
At the boundary, control is maintained. Control never loosens.
Inside the plant, movement becomes structured.
Every liter is measured as it moves.
Separation protects consistency. Transport ends where preparation begins. Stability begins with controlled volume. Dry inputs are balanced before use. The system confirms readiness. Transport gives way to transformation. Fruit flavor is preserved long before freezing begins. Preparation gives way to process. Every system waits for confirmation. Every surface is prepared before product arrives. Consistency begins with filtration. Unwanted elements are removed without interruption. Flow is stabilized before heat is applied. Human oversight remains essential. Clean inputs move forward.
Uniform texture begins before liquids meet solids. Texture is refined without altering flavor.
Preparation brings ingredients together in sequence. The system is ready for transformation.
Flavor is kept isolated until the correct moment.
The system waits for heat. Heat secures safety without compromising structure. Formulation begins under controlled conditions. Chocolate flavor is built through controlled dispersion. Texture is engineered at the molecular level. Distinct bases emerge with precision. The mix now rests before freezing begins.
Time becomes an ingredient. Structure develops as proteins and stabilizers hydrate.
Each formulation remains distinct. The mix is now ready for freezing. Transformation accelerates next. Rest completes the structure. Texture is confirmed before movement. The base is fully prepared. Flow is aligned for freezing. Automation takes control next. Air is introduced with precision.
Cold reshapes the mixture.
Structure is controlled digitally. Each formulation retains its identity. Consistency is maintained by automation.
Pressure defines consistency. Automation senses strain before failure.
Movement continues without compromise. The product is ready to take shape.
Uniformity is maintained across every line.
Protection stands ready without intervention. Automation hands the product forward.
Shape begins under pressure.
Uniformity is engineered, not assumed. Liquid chocolate is applied in one continuous motion.
Support is added at the exact moment. Portions are defined by measurement.
Flavor layers are added with restraint.
Every addition is controlled. Form is protected before hardening. Cold locks everything in place.
Form is verified without stopping flow.
Stability is secured before deep freeze. Hardening completes the structure. Internal stability is confirmed. Uniform freezing prevents defects. Every unit is observed. Only stable products move on.
Geometry is verified at speed.
Portion accuracy is enforced automatically. Structure and texture confirm process accuracy. Air content is measured, not guessed. Responsibility ends with approval. The batch is cleared to move forward. Protection begins at the surface. Integrity is locked without labels. Simple barriers preserve quality.
Uniform wrapping protects structure.
Every unit leaves this stage secured.
Structure is built for transport.
Units become inventory.
Consistency simplifies handling.
Every package is checked. Identification replaces branding. Finished goods await distribution.